Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest farming innovations and technologies. Today, we will be talking about the top 5 farms that are run by robots and AI. These farms are changing the way we grow crops, making farming more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Number 1. IRONOX. IRONOX is an indoor vertical farm located in California, USA. It uses robots to plant, water, and harvest crops, and AI to optimize growth conditions. The farm produces leafy greens and herbs using hydroponic technology. The use of robots in IRONOX has significantly reduced the need for human labor, making the farm more efficient and cost-effective. The robots are programmed to work around the clock, ensuring that the crops are grown and harvested on time. The use of AI has also helped to optimize growth conditions, ensuring that the plants receive the right amount of water, nutrients, and light. Number 2. Hands-free Hectare. Hands-free Hectare is a fully automated farm located in the UK. It uses drones, tractors, and other robots to sow, spray, and harvest crops. The farm produced a crop of barley in 2017 with no human intervention. The Hands-Free Hectare project has shown that it is possible to run a farm with no human intervention. The use of drones and tractors has eliminated the need for manual labor, making the farm more efficient and cost-effective. The project has also shown that automation can be used to produce crops on a large scale, reducing the need for land and other resources. Number 3. Spread Company. Spread Company is an indoor vertical farm located in Japan. It uses robots to plant, water, and harvest lettuce, and AI to monitor plant growth and adjust the environment accordingly. The farm produces over 21,000 heads of lettuce per day. The use of robots in Spread Company has significantly reduced the need for human labor, making the farm more efficient and cost-effective. The robots are programmed to work around the clock, ensuring that the crops are grown and harvested on time. The use of AI has also helped to optimize growth conditions, ensuring that the plants receive the right amount of water, nutrients, and light. Number 4. FarmBot. FarmBot is a robotic farming system that can be used in outdoor or indoor settings. It uses AI to plan and plant crops, and robots to water, weed, and harvest them. The system can be customized to grow a variety of crops, including vegetables, fruits, and grains. The FarmBot system has the potential to revolutionize the way we grow crops. The use of AI has made it possible to plan and plant crops with a high degree of accuracy, ensuring that each plant receives the right amount of water, nutrients, and light. The use of robots has eliminated the need for manual labor, making the system more efficient and cost-effective. Number 5. Root AI. Root AI is an indoor vertical farm located in Massachusetts, USA. It uses robots to plant, water, and harvest tomatoes, and AI to analyze plant health and optimize growth conditions. The farm is capable of producing up to 500 pounds of tomatoes per day. The use of robots in Root AI has significantly reduced the need for human labor, making the farm more efficient and cost-effective. The robots are programmed to work around the clock, ensuring that the crops are grown and harvested on time. The use of AI has also helped to optimize growth conditions, ensuring that the plants receive the right amount of water, nutrients, and light. In conclusion, these farms are just a few examples of how technology is revolutionizing agriculture and making it more efficient and sustainable. The use of robots and AI has eliminated the need for manual labor, making farming more efficient and cost-effective.